This Etsy shop has done over 2,000 sales and it's been open for less than 6 months. Not only that, but it's selling print-on-demand shirts, which is one of the most competitive products on Etsy. So how did they do this when most print-on-demand sellers struggle to even get their first 100 sales? It comes down to 3 things done in the right order. So in this video, I'll break down what those 3 things are and how you can use them to get to your first 1,000 sales on Etsy, even as a European seller. So when most people start selling print-on-demand clothing on Etsy, they create designs like this. And you can tell the seller put a lot of effort into it because there's a lot going on in the design. But look over here at the sales. The listing has been up for months, but it still has 0 sales. But now look at this one. The design is much simpler. It's basically just text on a shirt with a goat, but it has over 100 sales and it was listed about a month ago. So what is going on? The first seller designed what they thought looked cool. Meanwhile, the second seller designed what people were already shopping for. The listing's title is tied to a real event, which in this case is Father's Day. That's a search term that buyers are already typing into Etsy. And that's the biggest mistakes that new sellers make that stops them from getting sales. They can ask themselves, is this design good enough? But on Etsy, the real question is somebody already shopping for what I'm designing? That might be a Father's Day gift, a birthday present, or a retirement gift for a coworker. Something someone already came to Etsy to find. Those are the designs you want to make, not the ones that you think look good according to you, but the gifts and presents buyers are already searching for. So pick one event and design for it. And pay attention to which designs start selling. That's how you get your first sale, and that's also how you start to move towards your first 1,000. It's the same approach that I used when I started, and it's the approach that I've used to build a $1.9 million print-on-demand business from Europe. And if you want to build this kind of print-on-demand business from Europe yourself, you need a company that reliably prints and ships our products, so you can sell without buying inventory or packing orders yourself. The one that I use, that I've used for years, is Printify. You just upload the design, you connect it to Etsy, and then when someone buys, Printify prints and ships our shirts to the customers. And if you want to get 30 days of free Printify Premium, check out the link in the description. Now, let's talk about the second thing that's stopping you from hitting 1,000 Etsy sales. Take a look at these listings. If you're a beginner, you might not notice anything wrong at first, but look at the product photos. They're flat, boring. The image feels like a fake digital preview, so it doesn't show how the shirt would feel in real life. And in the search results, it doesn't make you want to click. That's a very big problem because Etsy is a visual platform. Before someone reads your title, before they check out your price, before they look at your design, they see a photo. And if the photo doesn't make the product feel worth clicking, the design never gets a chance to get sold. Now compare that to these. This first listing is in the musical bug niche and it's already a bestseller within a month of the listing being live. This one is a dad shirt and is also currently a bestseller. And this one is a cottagecore shirt and it's also a bestseller. These are 3 completely different niches, shops and designs. But look at what they have in common. They're using the same product photo. So the lesson here is, don't guess how your listing should look. Look at what's already working on Etsy and then present your product in a similar way and make it better. And to save you a lot of time here, you can use the free templates I've made for my school community. Once you have these proven mockups from Etsy, all you need to do is just plug them into the empty frames and then you have a listing template ready to go. You can grab them for free in the link in the description and use it right away. So now we got designs that people want. And even as a European seller, your listings are starting to get clicked. You're getting closer to your first 1,000 sales, but this is where a lot of sellers make the next mistake. So look at this shop, for example. They're all over the place. There are birthday shirts, music shirts, pickleball shirts, dog shirts, all just mixed together. Every time they get a sale on one thing, instead of just making more in that niche, they jump to something completely different. Now look at this shop instead. See the difference? They found the designs that was selling, then they made more version of that same idea for the same type of buyer in the same style, just using different words. That's the key to making 1,000 sales on Etsy. Once you find something that works, you need to double down on what's working, not change designs or strategies or niches. So the next time you find a design that starts selling, ask yourselves 2 questions. First is, can I make more designs in the same niche? For example, If this grandma sweater sells here, can you make 5 more variations of that grandma sweatshirt for the same type of buyer? And the second question is that while still appealing to the same buyer, can I keep the same design style and just change the wording? So if that grandma sweatshirt sells, you can keep the same style and layout and just change the wording. For example, you can just change it to the grandpa niche here instead. I've seen people in my school community do exactly this. One member that started in late October last year in 2025 hit $3,000 in profit just by May this year using this exact same approach. That's how one winning print-on-demand product becomes a small collection of products that actually sell. And that collection is what gets you to your first 1,000 sales. So now you know the 3 things you need to hit 1,000 sales as a European Etsy seller. But even with the right product idea, Etsy still needs to show your listing to the right buyers. And to learn how to end up at the top of page 1 on Etsy search and gain consistent daily sales, watch this video next.